Hello, guys. I'm thrilled to share with you an exciting project I've been working on, a highly detailed forklift simulation built entirely in Unreal Engine 5.3.2. But this is not just another game. It's part of an ongoing project for a leading oilfield company. Let's dive into what makes this simulator unique and why it's so important for the future of training. As we begin, you'll notice the character entering the forklift with a smooth animation. The sequence starts with the engine cranking up, adding a layer of authenticity to the experience. Once seated, the operator takes control by releasing the handbrake. This step ensures the vehicle is ready to move, simulating the importance of proper pre-operation checks. Next, you'll see the operator demonstrating precise control over the forklift. The hands and feet operate in tandem. The hands steer the rear wheels while also controlling the lift and tilt levers. This highlights the realistic IK rig system, ensuring every action mirrors real-world operations. Rear wheel steering adds complexity to maneuvering, offering a valuable training opportunity for learners to master this skill. Moving forward, let's focus on a subtle but impactful detail: exhaust fumes. The fumes adjust dynamically based on throttle response, giving the impression of a working internal combustion engine. This visual cue is not just for realism. It also teaches operators to understand engine load and performance through observable signs, which is vital for diagnosing potential issues in the field. The simulation then transitions to navigating a ramp in the workshop. This section demonstrates the forklift's capability to handle slopes and uneven surfaces. It teaches operators the importance of speed control and careful steering, especially when transitioning between flat and inclined surfaces. Now we move to a critical task: placing objects on shelves. Watch how the operator positions the forklift carefully, ensuring the forks align perfectly with the pallet slots. This exercise emphasizes precision, as improper placement could damage equipment or shelving. Notice how the lift height is adjusted to match the shelf level, a key skill for maintaining safety and efficiency. To further refine the placement, the operator adjusts the forklift's position, moving slightly forward and backward. This demonstrates the need for fine control in tight spaces. In real-life scenarios, such precision ensures that loads are stable and shelves are not compromised during operations. This journey began a year ago with a clear goal: to create a state-of-the-art simulator for field personnel and workshop technicians. The purpose? To help them practice their knowledge and skills in a safe, controlled, and engaging environment. Designed as a supplement to traditional classroom or online training courses, this simulator provides an opportunity for employees to gain hands-on experience. And yes, to have fun while learning. From its inception, the focus has been on delivering realism and functionality. This forklift simulation features fully IK, rig-controlled movements. The character's hands steer, control the lift, tilt, and even fine-tune fork movements. Legs work the accelerator and brake pedals. You can even watch the detailed animations of the character entering and exiting the forklift. On top of that, it's packed with dynamic features like operational hydraulic cylinders, responsive throttle-based sound effects, realistic collisions, exhaust fumes that change with throttle input, and a seamless blend of mechanical operations and soundscapes to immerse users. After placing the load, the forklift reverses smoothly, preparing to pick up another object. The reverse motion is accompanied by responsive sound effects, replicating the auditory cues operators rely on in real-world environments. The next challenge involves lifting a 1 metric ton tote tank. The operator carefully aligns the forks with the tank's designated lifting slots. This step requires accuracy to avoid damaging the tank's fine plastic walls. Trainees learn the importance of assessing load integrity before attempting to lift or move it. To secure the load for transport, the tilt function is activated. Tilting the load backward ensures stability during movement, reducing the risk of spills or imbalance. This action reinforces the principle of load stability, a cornerstone of safe forklift operation. As the simulation progresses, heavier loads are placed on lower shelves. This mirrors best practices in storage management, preventing overloading of higher shelves and reducing the risk of collapse. Operators are trained to distribute weight strategically, optimizing both safety and accessibility. The operator then carefully aligns the load, leaving sufficient space between items. This meticulous approach ensures that future operations, such as retrieving or rearranging objects, can be done efficiently without causing damage. This project isn't just about technical brilliance, it's about safety. It's an invaluable tool for promoting health, safety, and environment, HSE, awareness, and risk management. By Finally, before stepping out of the forklift, the operator engages the handbrake. This step highlights the importance of securing the equipment before leaving it unattended, preventing unintended movement and potential accidents. Practicing in a virtual environment, employees can minimize real-world risks, making this a powerful tool for companies aiming to protect their people and assets. The project underscores the importance of leveraging modern tools like Unreal Engine to train and empower employees. Today's workforce thrives on interactive and engaging learning experiences, and simulators like this play a pivotal role in bridging theoretical knowledge with practical application. Not only do they sharpen technical skills, but they also build confidence and foster creativity. Innovation and creativity are the keys to progress. Whether you're designing a simulation, solving real-world challenges, or pursuing your passions, stay curious, stay creative, and never stop exploring what's possible. If you found this showcase inspiring or useful, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing projects like this. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.